This Special Art Award recognizes two outstanding airport installations of public art in Terrazzo. Local artists were commissioned to design the platforms for new elevated train stations, creating an enhanced travel experience. Neither of the artists on the project had ever worked with Terrazzo or designed a project on such a scale. The Terrazzo craftsmen worked creatively with both artists throughout the process. The rental car train, designed by Bill Dambrova, was inspired by the airport's function as a means for earthbound creatures to take to the sky, referencing the interconnection of life, from single-celled life forms and ancient sea life to the stars. The project conveys a watercolor-style color blending. The 24th Street Station, designed by Frank Gonzalez, pays homage to indigenous peoples and the healing properties of the desert's natural elements. The contractor produced a series of waterjet cut dots in different colors for the artist, which gave the illusion of the desired blend of colors in the flowers. The two stations resulted in 13,500 square feet of terrazzo in 31 colors and preserved the integrity of each artistic vision. Both waterjet cut and hand-formed strips were used, and the work was completed in 40 days. For breathtakingly beautiful terrazzo artistry in the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport SkyTrain stations, we commend Advanced Terrazzo Company.